Hey folks, JD here, and today this video is brought to you by the Creality Ender 3. Now, I've had this for a while. I finally got time over the weekend to set it up, configure it, and get a test print going. So this particular video shows you the assembly, right the way through to starting the test print and then the finished result of the test print being completed. Now I've sped this up 5,500 times so that we can actually get through the whole process, which is actually 4.5 hours long to assemble it and to start the print and then to finish everything. So I've managed to condense that down to under 5 minutes, which I'm pretty happy with. So this week, what have we got coming on? Well, this week is just absolutely monstrous. Monday, we've got the GoPro 7 Hero Black. This is a deep dive where we unbox the camera and then we go into a load of different tests and check out that hyper stability. On Tuesday, we have the Emax Tiny Hawk. So this is the unboxing, this is the flight test indoor, this is the flight test outdoor, this is a load of different tests all rolled into one video. Wednesday we have FPVing my X-Max with GoPro tests included. So I'm trying out the Runcam Micro Swift 2 that you may remember we unboxed and built a couple of weeks ago. This is the test of it, alongside some GoPro Hero 7 stability tests as well. Thursday we have the Tello FPV Part 3. So this is after updates to the app, after I've firmware upgraded the Tello as well to the newest version. We're going to go back through and see exactly how this performs with some new features from the new update. On Friday we have the quadcopter for £79. Yeah, that's all I'm saying on this one. It's a whole bundle. It's a hell of a lot of bang for your buck for £79. Be sure to tune in on Friday. On Saturday as well, we have the Beginner Guide Part 3. This is ensuring you have a safe flight zone. So I go into more information on that on Saturday. And then on Sunday, we have the FTX Mighty Thunder. This is a very, very, very hard bash indeed. So this is me taking the Mighty Thunder 2 months ago after we just had torrential storms and very heavy rain and just bashing the absolute hell out of it and just going crazy and loving every single minute of it. So I hope you will enjoy it as well. So there we go, my friends. There's Monday through to Sunday for this week. I hope you all have a fantastic week. Thank you for everything last week. I hope you all enjoyed. If you've got any questions, any comments, then please let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, my friends. Look after yourself. I hope you all have a great week. Take care and happy RCing.